Hey, what's up everybody? This is Elijah coming at you again with some trade reviews. So today I did a little better. I was more under control, and last night I made sure to set a max loss on DAS Trader, which I hit today, so I'm no longer trading, but I did make some good trades, so I just want to go over those with you. So first things first, PDD. Andrew was looking at this in chat. I saw it right here. He was talking about going long. I saw it come up and pull back, and I went long here. I got some out here, and then I just got stopped out the rest because it just slammed down. I thought it was going to keep going. Now the next trade was pretty bad. I got long here. I was like, oh, it's going to keep going. Bam, I got out. And same thing with the next one. Bam, bam. So then at this time, I'm like, all right. I think I did one more than okay. I'm done with PDD. I'm near max loss now. That's not good. So the next trade I did was a good one. It was on target. So right here, I saw this. It looked like an ascending triangle. It looked like it wanted to break up right here. So I went long right here, and I guess this is where is it? Right here. Yeah, so it came down a little bit on the 5 minute, but then as it was going up, I got in. I thought it was going to bust up like it's doing now. But I got in right here. I like those moving averages. And then once it hit this 50 right, or 200 right, I'm not sure what it is, but it's darker color. Right here, boom, 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 boom. I got out because, yeah, I just want to get out quick. And I'm glad I did because it pulled right back. And right here, I thought this is the one. This is going to go through, and it did not. And as you'll see here later on, I took a couple little ones, and this eventually got me to my max loss because I thought this was going to happen sooner. What's happening right now? See that? See that triangle? Boom! I thought that was going to happen sooner. And so did Andrew because he was doing the same thing. I think I was just listening to him, seeing what he's trading, trying to learn from the master. You know, better today, stay under control. But yeah. So then, but I had one more good trade. This one is on low. I saw a low slam down. Looks like it's coming back, but then, you know, it was still below the 5 minute VWAP. So then I shorted right here. I got out quick because I just wasn't sure. It was hesitating right here. Hesitating, and I got all out in that first minute, but I wish I would have waited till down here because I could have got about $1 on it. But it is what it is. It was still a good trade. But yeah, so that's about all for today. I'm tempted to call Daz and say, you know, remove my max loss. I got to keep trading, but no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stay under control, and hopefully, yeah. When I'm ready, it'll happen. So, you know, gotta let the game come to me. Thank you all for your time.